I'm gonna do a little ditty on compasses because I don't leave home without compasses. I have several. This is the little compass I keep in my possibles bag. This is the compass I keep in my pocket. If you look at it, they both pointing north. This is an M2. Now this compass here can do inclines and just about anything you want to do. This M2 can do it, baby. I mean, that is the technology of all technology right here. The M2. But you're not supposed to have a metal object within 18 feet of this compass. That's what the book says anyway. So if I'm going to take a reading with it, I'm going to go out there somewhere and set it on a stump. If I got to be that accurate, maybe running a map or something. But these here do just fine. Okay? But watch this compass when I move this compass close to it. Watch what it does. So when you're taking a compass reading, you really need to be away from the metal if you really want to know which way you're going. Because 1 degree in 5 miles could cause a problem. Put you in a gully full of switch cane and rattlesnakes. Anyway. That's some of my compasses. I hate to be without one. Y'all don't leave home without a compass. Or 2 or 3. Like compasses. That's an old pocket compass. Right there. It is an old one. That's an M2 about 1970, 80 something. And that right there is, I don't know, but that's a good little compass. That one in Chinese some, which is, I believe, but it's been good, man. I check them all with this M2. They on. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I had to put my fingers in front of the lens. I just had to. But yeah. If you don't know how to use a compass, I'm not going to tell you. Get on YouTube. There's people do a lot better job than I do. Explain to you how to use a compass. Look, buddy. Time and distance. Thank y'all for watching.